In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform and Bigin. We'll connect new Typeform responses to Bigin by Zoho CRM using an automation platform so your leads, deals, or tasks appear automatically without manual data entry. First, sign up for or log into a trusted automation platform such as Zapier. Any reputable tool that supports both Typeform and Bigin will work. Make sure you have access to your Typeform account and your Bigin workspace, and that you have permission to create records. A free or trial plan is often enough to get started, but check any usage limits so your automation doesn't pause unexpectedly. Next, set your trigger app to Typeform. The trigger is the event that starts the workflow whenever something happens. When prompted, choose the trigger event. You'll typically see options like new form entry or new submission. They both mean a response came in. Select the option your platform provides, then choose the specific type form you want to monitor. If you manage multiple forms, pick the one tied to your lead capture or sign up process. Now connect Typeform. Click to authenticate and follow the secure sign-in flow. Grant permission so the automation tool can read your forms and responses. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one that owns the form you chose earlier. After connecting, most platforms will let you pull in a recent sample response so you can see real fields as you configure things. With the trigger ready, choose Bigin by Zoho CRM as your action app. This tells the automation where to send the data. Then select your action event. Common choices are create contact, create deal, or create task. Pick the action that matches your workflow. For example, use create contact when you're collecting names and emails from a lead form. Create deal if you want a pipeline entry to track sales stages, or create task when you want your team to follow up on each submission. Map your Typeform fields to Bigin fields. Match name, email, and phone to the correct contact properties. For deals, set the pipeline and stage, and map fields like amount or description if your form collects them. For tasks, set the subject, due date, and owner according to your process. Clear field mapping is key to keeping your CRM clean. Finally, connect your Bigin account. Authenticate through Zoho, choose the correct domain or data center if asked, and confirm access to the right organization. Once connected and your field mappings look good, your integration is ready to run. New Typeform submissions will flow straight into Bigin, keeping your pipeline organized and your